Hey loves, it's your baby girl, the cooking angel. So today we're making fish sauce. You cannot go wrong with this because it has to be one of the easiest recipes ever. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and let's get into this. Alright guys, so we're going to start off this video by adding 1 cup of water into a pot or pan. Come in with your fish. Then we're going to put onions, ginger and garlic chopped, then salt, bouillon cube, oregano seasoning, pepper. Guys, all the ingredients are in the description box, so please check it out. Guys, I won't buy fish from ShopRite again, no, because I don't understand this combination. It's like having 4 head of fish and just 2 tail of it. I do not like it at all. And let me not just even come here to bamboozle you. This fish, it was not tasting like original Titus. And we only buy original Titus in my house, so it was just giving one kind. I thought buying it from there would even be better. Anyways, boil your fish for about 10 minutes till it's cooked. Then you come back and take it out. So make sure when you are going to buy fish, make sure you know what you are buying. Don't go and buy rubbish. Don't go and buy rubbish like I bought. So now you're going to come in with chopped tomatoes and pepper. Please, if you cannot handle pepper, don't put in too much. You can just add more of tomatoes than the pepper. Guys, now I remember telling you that we're going to try to make oilless catfish. So as you can see, we did not fry our tomatoes or anything. We're just going to come in to it straight with our seasoning and salt, then mix that together. No frying anything here, right? And it will still come out nice. That's all I can tell you. Now, while that is boiling, we're going to be detaching our fish from the bone, and you're going to try as much as possible to let no bone enter your fish after detaching at this point, because you don't want to be eating your fish and then you're seeing bone everywhere. So try as much as possible to take out every bone, and then you flex your fish. At the point I changed to my hands because it was very hard. Anyways, this is what we'll have at the end of the day. Now let's get back into cooking. So now the next step for us to do is to see if our sauce is looking ready, which it is. Then you come in with your fish. This fish was a lot, so it literally overpowered all the sauce and carried everything and soaked everything. So now just add your flexed fish, my mom calls it flexed fish, into your pot, and then mix that all together. And then you're gonna let this simmer for like about 5 minutes, and guys, you're good to go. Your fish sauce is literally ready. Like, come and look at this beauty. Eat it with yam, rice, anything, and you're good to go. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't. I love you guys so much. I'm the cooking angel. Peace out.